Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OPPO Reno 12 Pro and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. Firstly, open Google Chrome application. In it, tap on the three dots on the right corner and there scroll down and choose at settings selection where we have password manager, and there we can manage our Google passwords. We have maybe to our Netflix account, we must tap on it, but to manage it we need to have our look screen, but I don't have, and we must set it. Maybe we set pattern first. And after that, enter your look screen and we get access to our Netflix passwords. When we press this first icon, our smartphone copy our username and passwords, or after we press this icon, our smartphone show us password rich. Remember, you can also edit all by tap on edit, and you can delete something or write something new, change something in sound, passwords and note, but when you add something, remember to press save. You can also delete what our smartphone remember by delete and confirm by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.